only one ball. Cercate di utilizzare solo una palla e velocizzare. When you control the ball, okay, then you have to score. I mean, if you will control the ball to the white goal, you will score in the white goal in front of you. Okay? Otherwise, if you will control the ball in the blue goal, you will score in the blue one. Okay, guys? So you will pass me the ball and then you will go behind. Okay? I will control, I will score, and I will follow the ball. Okay? Something like this. Last thing is more important. Every time you will receive the ball, don't stay still. So guys, I mean, you can do something like this. Go back a little bit. When your friend is going to pass the ball, you will attack it and then you will control. Okay? It's okay, guys? Who is receiving the ball? Who has to receive the ball? Yes, behind. Se tu controlli la palla nella porta blu, io farò questo tipo di movimento, controllerò la palla e farò ripartire. Ok? Guys, are you ready? Go back, please. Go! Control and score. Come on. Control. Come on, come on, come on. Try to use only one ball. Guys, try to use only one ball. Cercate di utilizzare solo una palla e velocizzare. Controllo con un tocco. Bravo, prendila. Bravo. Sì, bravo, molto bene. Ok, guys, come on. Try to use only inside to control and pass. Provate a utilizzare solo l'interno per controllare e passare. Control and score. Come on. Ok. Bravo. Bravo. Controllo. Fare gol. Controllare e partire. Ragazzi, andate più indietro per piacere più spazio. Bravissimo. Stagione alla porta blu. Guys, behind the goal. Every time. Behind the goal.
Just pass and stop, okay? The other side you have to control.
Guys, when you are going to receive the ball, attack it. Good. Go. Use inside to control. Open or close your control. There's a ball behind you. Come on.
If it goes to the blue goal, you have to wait the ball here. Then control the ball and pass from the center.
No, because I thought I...
Attack it. Control. Let's go.
And wait